Hello, everybody. My name is Anju Balakrishnan. I'm a legal intern of LEXIS and Company. Today, I'm going to talk about Consumer Protection Act. So, let's begin with what a consumer is. A consumer basically is someone who buys a good or avails or hires a service for a consideration that can either be already paid or is promised to be paid or is partially paid. So basically, it's every single one of us because all of us have bought something by paying or by providing some sort of consideration or by promising to pay in the later future. Every single one of us is consumers, and as consumers, we should know our rights provided under it. We should know about where and who we can go to seek redressals, and that is what I'm going to tell you in today's video. So, but you must understand that if you're buying something with an intention to resell it, basically, if you're buying something for commercial purposes, you would not be known as a consumer. Now let's go to the term deficiency of service provided in the Act. Deficient and deficiency, defects and deficiency are terms that are basically having the same meaning, but at the same time there are a little bit of differences in the meanings. Like it's basically the same thing, but there are slight differences. Defects are flaws in an acquired products, while deficiencies in services are labeled as deficiencies. So defects comes in the case of products, while deficiency comes in the case of services. According to Section 2, subsection 11 of the Act, deficiency includes flaws, defects, shortcomings, insufficiencies in the quality, character, or method of performance that is required to be maintained by or under any legislation for the time being. So basically, deficiency is any mistake or flaws that is made while in the quality of the product or the character of the organization or the method of performance that is provided under the law. There is a law and there's a particular way to do something, and if you're not doing it the particular way and there's flaws in your products, it's a deficient product. So a service deficit occurs when you suffer a loss or as a result of an action of persons whose services you engaged. So basically, when you engage a service or when you ask for someone for a service, and because of the actions of that person you suffer loss, that is known as deficiency in services. Now let's learn about who has the authority to submit a complaint. According to Section 35, subsection 1 of the Consumer Protection Act, the following individuals have the right to submit a complaint. First one, as you know, it's a consumer. A consumer is a person to who the products are delivered, sold, or agreed to sell, or to whom the service is supplied or agreed to be provided. So any consumer has the right to submit a complaint. Second one, a consumer association. Consumer association is basically a non-profit organization that is registered under the government, and it makes no difference if you're not a part of the association. I mean, even if you have a complaint, you're not a part of the, you're not under the association, a member of the organization, you can still go to the consumer association, ask for their help. The third one is one or more consumers speaking on behalf of all the consumers in a common interest. If there's a group of consumers who have the same complaint, somebody can represent them in order to submit the complaint. Then fourth one is the central government, the state government, and central authorities. The three levels of the government also have the right to submit a complaint in some cases. If it comes into in front of their eyes that there is some sort of defect or there is some sort of problem in a product, before the consumers complain, they can provide a complaint. So these are the four people who can provide a complaint under the Consumer Protection Act. Now, to safeguard the consumer rights, the Consumer Protection Act provides three redressal procedures that a consumer can turn to resolve their complaints. There's a district commission, there's a state commission, there's a national commission. A district commission is the lowest level of redressal. It is considered to be the lowest redressal commission so that consumers can apply. And the state government has established that there must be a district commission in every single district of the state, because basically, as the name suggests, it's a district commission. It should be there in every single district. And the district commission can handle cases less than 1 crore. So if you have a complaint that's less than 1 crore, you can go to the district commission. Now, the state commission can hear complaints about the products and services if the consideration exceeds 1 crore and does not exceed 10 crore according to Section 47. So basically, if your product exceeds 1 crore but is less than 10 crores, go to the state commission. The national commission, its main office is in the national capital area, basically Delhi. And although the central government might have regional branches in different areas, basically the main head office is in the national capital area, and they can hear complaints that surpasses 10 crore rupees. basically, as a consumer, it's important that you know the rights and remedies provided when the rights are violated, because only when you guys are aware, when every single one of us is aware about our rights, then only can we stand up against the sellers and the manufacturers and ensure that they take precautions in order to provide good products for us. So, consumer protection right ensures that the term caveat emptor, which means a buyer should be fair about the things that they do, um, about their rights. And, and I hope that you guys could understand about what is Consumer Protection Act at least, or what a consumer is, or how you can go to seek redressals, where you can go to seek redressals through this video. However, we must understand that Act is a very huge act, and there are different rights provided under it, and I will try to cover the acts in the upcoming videos. Please press the like and subscribe button if you like the video in order to gain more law related videos in the upcoming days. I thank you for your time and understanding, and I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.